Alright, let's look at this question here. Diagram below shows hydroelectric power station. Remember, hydroelectric, I can always go here if you disagree with me. Hydroelectric power station means hydro is water, alright, and electric is electricity. So hydroelectric uses the movement of water to change it into electrical energy. Now let's see what we already know. We already know that the stage A, this reservoir, alright, brings the height of the water up higher, alright, so that when the water is much higher, the gravitational potential energy increases. Remember that gravitational potential energy is dependent on the height, alright, on the height of the object. So in this case, the object is the water, and as the water level rises, so will the gravitational potential energy. Okay, we also know that this gravitational potential energy can be converted and is converted into movement. So as the water pulls down, as the gravity pulls down the water from up here downwards to this level here, because there's a difference in height, you see, there is one height of water here and there's another height of the water here in the river. So there's a difference in height, so gravity will pull this water downwards to this level, alright, and when that happens, kinetic energy is gravitational potential energy is converted to movement energy, and we call movement energy kinetic energy. Alright, so when that happens, this kinetic energy will also be pushing a turbine. We know that a turbine is just like a big fan, alright, and the big fan here will also have a kinetic energy turning. So again, from gravitational potential energy, gravity pulls the water down, so there's movement down here at stage B. So gravitational potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, alright, and kinetic energy pushes the turbine, so the turbine has kinetic energy, and the turbine actually changes the kinetic energy here transfer it into the generator, and the generator turns and turns and turns, and electricity is produced. So electrical energy there. Now this is what we know. So let's look at S. Okay, kinetic energy is converted to electrical energy. We know kinetic energy here, alright, is transferred through this spindle here. Okay, can you see this place here? This thing is going, this turbine is attached to the generator, alright. This turbine is attached to the generator through this little pole here, alright. Now as this turbine turns, the pole inside turns, and you can't see it right now, it does not show, but what happened is that inside the generator there are huge magnets, alright, which is being turned by the movement of the turbine. And as these huge magnetic vanes or coils are turned, electricity is produced. So you can see that the kinetic energy within the generator changes the kinetic energy into electrical energy. So what happened is, where is S? Stage S is actually in stage D. S is actually in stage D. Alright. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna change that. Okay, so there are what do you call that? Okay, so this stage here, this stage D, changes kinetic energy to electrical energy. Remember, generator converts kinetic energy into electrical energy. I'm going to write that down because it's a very important thing to remember. Generators, okay, converts or changes, like let's use the word change. Change kinetic energy Okay, kinetic energy to electrical energy. Alright, so generators change kinetic energy to electrical energy. Very important concept for you to remember. Okay, motors are the other way around. Motors, okay, never mind, let's not get yourself confused. So generators change kinetic energy to electrical energy. So the answer here is stage D. Alright, now if it is stage D, then therefore, okay, you can basically just strike out option 2 because this is wrong, and option 3, okay, because this is wrong. Then we have stage D, and we now have to figure out stage T. Okay, so T is gravitational potential energy converted to kinetic energy. So you know that this is there's no gravitational potential energy here. We know that there's gravitational potential energy here, but gravitational potential energy here is not doing anything. It is waiting for the gravity to pull it downwards, and there's only movement here. So when there's movement of water here, this is where gravitational potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. So the stage that converts gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy is this stage here, alright, which is stage B, moving water converted, right? So T is actually stage B. Therefore, the answer for this question is number 1. Alright, okay, so if you disagree with my answer, please go to this website and tell me about it. If you have gotten this right, well, congratulations, and we can finish this question now. Alright, because we have done it. I'm going to upload it on the website. Thank you.